Excellent. I think this is still Ohio. Notice the old Route 50 West. Hey there. Hey there. Greetings. Yeah, I was getting ready to give a thumbs up to you. So I'm like, let me see if I can connect. I was like, man, this is so frustrating. I have to, I'm going to do that insurance thing and replace my phone. And that, so I can get this resolved, you know, for this year. And maybe I have more battery life too. That'll work out. I'll be happy with that. I was like, oh, like I gotta have my phone working because I gotta be using my ride with GPS for the ride back home too. Absolutely. And then my peeps want to know where I am, so I'm running my Google, you know, what is that, location share. Well, that's just what Tammy sent out. But I'm talking about my family at home. I sent them the invite for the Google share, Google location. It's like location sharing when you're on Google Maps, and you can just send it to anyone in your contacts, and that way they can track where you are. Yeah, and I didn't want them to have to go into something different, you know. But I hadn't used that one because I hadn't got this thing to work until today, when James showed me how to select the offline routes, which I guess she shared with me. So then I hit navigate and it just popped right up. I'm like, snap! This is, yeah, because I mean, like it's never worked for me since I've been using it. Since I subscribed to it, I'm like, well, I'm doing something wrong. I don't know what it is. So he showed me how to do that. So I'm like, okay, this works. I'm happy. So yeah, I'm charging, and the ride with GPS is running, and I can see the screen. I didn't turn it up on full brightness. Gotta put my battery in power save mode so I can make sure I don't run out. So I'm happy. I'm happy. You stop. and you know, I think Dave rides better on the inside lane. Yeah, all the time, and like every turn, you know, like, and then yeah, he's an interesting rider. So, but it worked out just switching with him. So, keeping him on the inside. So let him that maybe that'll work better. Cause now we got a straight line with riders. Oh my gosh, I'm still recording. I gotta filter that out. So